Hello. Well, let me see. The vinegar I put in, 10% cleaning stuff, was in overnight, and I poured it out, and it's crystal clear. It didn't help me at all for some reason. So I put a couple jugs of spray 9 in it. So anyway, the spray 9's been in for 1 day, and it seemed to be working. So anyway, I'm gonna pour it out. Pretty dirty looking stuff. Yeah, where the filler neck is, I could see the what's it called? The black goo inside the tank. So I reached in with my finger and touched it, and it was still sticky, and that's with the vinegar in it. So and this is after like 12, 15 hours. It didn't clean it at all. So anyway, within 5 minutes after I put the spray 9 in, it okay, well, I'll have to take the water hose to this thing now. See how that works. Well, anyway, that's pretty polluted looking stuff. So I guess I'll take that down to the garage and take the water hose to it a few times and see how clean it is inside. Since the cat's right here, I'll say hello to him. Good morning. I got a log behind the barn I'd like to cut up, but it's in the deep grass, which is like super toxic. So anyway, I'm gonna have to use a handsaw to cut it up a little bit and get it out on the lawn so I can cut it up. Oh, kitty kitty. Yeah, I think it's going to be hot today. Doesn't look like rain. Anyway, that spray 9 seems to be working. Oh, I know it looks awful contaminated compared to yesterday when I poured it in there. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later, see how I make out. Have a good day.